Learn how to quickly add holiday calendars to your Outlook calendar. First, navigate in Outlook and switch to the People section, making sure you're in the right place before adding calendars. Next, open the Add Calendar panel and select the Holidays option to start exploring the available holiday calendars you can add. Now use the filter field to quickly find your preferred country and add the United States holiday calendar so relevant dates appear in your agenda. Close the Add Calendar panel to return to your main calendar view with the new holidays added. You can use the search field at the top to quickly find events, including holidays, across all your calendars. From the My Calendars section, reveal or select the United States holidays calendar so those holidays are visible alongside your schedule. Choose specific dates in the mini calendar to quickly jump to and review upcoming or past holidays. Now, make sure you're in the Calendar section and start planning your events as needed around these holidays. Finally, review your calendar view options and use Split View if you want to see your regular appointments and holidays side by side. You've learned how to add holiday calendars in Outlook and keep your schedule updated.